Hey everyone! Welcome to SkillStack with Devendra. This is where we unpack smart strategies in project management, agile, business analysis, and more. The art of saying no, managing client expectations in a collaborative way. Have you ever been in a meeting where the client makes an impossible request, and your gut says no way, but your mouth says, "Sure, we will try"? Yeah. I have been there too. But what if I told you, saying no, the right way, can actually build trust, and make your client respect you even more? Let's talk about the art of saying no, and how to manage expectations without sounding difficult. Why this matters? In today's world, everyone is trying to be client first. Right, but too often, that turns into yes to everything. Even when it hurts the project, the team, or even you. Here is the hard truth: you don't have to say yes to everything to be valuable. You just need to say no the smart way. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I will show you how to say no without burning bridges. The psychology behind no. Let's be honest, saying no feels uncomfortable. We worry the client will get upset, that we will lose their trust, or worse, the project. But here is the twist: saying yes to the wrong things, that is what really causes damage. Think about this: would you trust a doctor who agrees with everything you say, or one who challenges your thinking and actually saves your life? Your clients don't just want agreement, they want clarity, they want results, they want you to help them succeed, and sometimes that means saying, "Not now. Not like this. Not yet." Real-world story, the slippery scope. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, a client asked us to add a last-minute feature in the middle of a sprint, and guess what I said? "Sure, no problem." We built it quickly, pushed it into UAT, and boom, it broke 3 other things. Our sprint went off the rails, the team was frustrated, and the client, even more confused. During the retrospective, our product owner said something I will never forget: "We are not here to deliver tasks, we are here to deliver value," and that changed everything for me. That is when I learned, saying no is not rejection, it is redirection towards better outcomes. Okay, how do you say no without saying it? Here are 5 practical ways. Number 1. Reframe it as a yes, but. Yes, that feature sounds useful, but let's look at how it fits into our current priorities. Number 2. Anchor in business value. Doing this now could delay delivery. Can we explore this in phase 2? Number 3. Use data to support your response. Last time we added unplanned work, it created major regressions. Let's avoid repeating that. Number 4. Offer alternatives. Instead of building something from scratch, can we use an existing template? Number 5. Lead with empathy. I completely understand the urgency. Let's find the best solution that works for everyone. See, you don't have to say no with a hard stop, you can say it with strategy and with care. Saying no can sound like support when done right. So here is the bottom line: saying no doesn't make you difficult, it makes you responsible. Your job is not to say yes to everything, your job is to lead your client to better decisions. It is not about ego, it is about impact. When you say no the right way, you are not closing a door, you are opening the right one. If this video resonated with you, and if you want more real-world insights, I would love to hear from you all in the comments. What is the hardest no you have had to say at work, and how did you handle it? Let's learn from each other. Give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's grow together, one no at a time. build confidence, say no, deliver value. If this video helped you, and if you want to master high-impact skills and lead with confidence, smash the bell icon so you never miss a video that builds your edge, and subscribe to SkillStack with Devendra for more actionable strategies on project management, agile, business analysis, and much more. Dear friends, I am going to help you build the skills that stack up to success. See you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, have a great day.